not even gonna lie. Daily driving a 03 GT at the age of 20, and like this is like daily driving. Like I'm talking like work, home. If I just want to go out, this is daily driver. I'm not gonna lie. I actually like it. It's not that bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be at all. Like I actually do like it. Like I can see why people say for like gas reasons that it's probably a bad idea, but so far for a first car, I actually like it. I'm not gonna lie. You feel me? Like, you know, I'm not at home. I'm actually about to get my hair done. You know? But yeah. For a first car, I would definitely recommend it. I'm not gonna lie. It's a fun car to drive. I just gotta get this front bumper did. I'm not gonna lie. Like this gotta go. This shit gotta go ASAP. I don't want to step on their grass. Like it just looks too perfect. You feel me? I'm gonna change out the front bumper too. I don't really like it too much. Like them holes right there. I don't really like that too much. At all, actually. So, hold on, can y'all even see? Let me just do it like this. Yeah, I'm gonna just do it like this. But yeah, everything else is gonna stay the same. Like the profiles, these are 275s. Yeah, these is 275s. It got the Celine kit. And I think dude had rushed it. The guy that I got it from rushed it. Whatever he was trying to do. He was trying to do side exits. So that's what get swapped out. As y'all just seen the front bumper. And then the clearance for the fenders is like, is not correct. Like, hold on, watch. I'm gonna show you. You see? I'll be damn near about to break my damn fender, gang. Like, it's not it. Like, it's big ass gap right here. It's a gap on both sides. Both side skirts is literally fucked. You know? Feel me? And these are 225s. These hoes are made in 2017 though. I should probably get some more tires. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know, like the way this is, I'm gonna get it repainted too. I just don't want to say what type of paint because, you know, people don't know me, but like, you know, you never know. People might try to steal your ideas. So yeah, that's all I'm saying. Like I'm gonna change out the front bumper, get a regular GT bumper. I'm gonna keep everything in the rear the same because it looks solid, looks clean. I actually do like it. I'm gonna change out the tail lights for the damn, what is it? Rexion? No, those are the headlights. Or those are tail lights as well. But these are getting smoked. I want the like the GT500 style tail lights, like the 2013, 14 GT500 tail lights. And then, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say for right now. Because right now, everything else in the car is like real decent. So I have no problems with nothing else in the car. Except I gotta get this washed. I'm not gonna lie. This is like, I don't even like driving this while it's dirty, but it's my daily driver. And I haven't had time to, you know, actually go. fuck they be doing that? Oh, see, I ain't get one of them head things, bro. I feel like this is way too close. You feel me? My transmission keeps slipping. I don't know why it does that. Actually, fuck it. I know why it's doing that, but I most definitely gotta go get that fixed. And then I still gotta go get the alignment. Because I don't know if y'all can see for real, but it's at an angle. I love this damn car though, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh,
He was trying to get his reaction. Like,
nah, you can do it. That's why it was so dark. I'm like, bro, it's so dark. I know myself the whole time.
said, forget about it, cuz. Huh?
Stop it.
Listen, I'm a Mustang driver, but I ain't stupid. These other Mustang motherfuckers, it would have kept going. And we would have wondered why they cars up the damn bush or something. You know what I'm saying? Because I know what the fuck I'm doing.
Yeah, I'm trying to die today.
That shit sound nice as hell, I ain't gonna lie.
And I ain't tryna kick it only daily, tryna step my pay, so I separate from the fake. If a motherfucker feel away, knocking neck out of place. Speak now, forever hold your peace, let's see what he gotta say. I refuse to lose, so I go against the grain, put it 7-2.